Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you my Dubai vlog. It was a personal trip. We didn't hire any online websites, like we made it by ourselves only. So before going to the Dubai, we cut the small cake in the name of welcome back to Dubai and a small get together. So yeah, our flight was in the morning from the New Delhi to Dubai. So here I'm attaching all our pictures from the airport. We all were so excited for this trip. It is our first international trip. So here's my ticket showing bye bye Delhi and pictures from the airplane. And so yeah, we reached Dubai at noon. Our hotel was Citymax. We booked it through online goibibo.com. So there was like a little issue over there. So it took us 2 hours. So I met that boy there. So we enjoyed with this little boy, and then in the evening we relaxed. So the next day, officially the day one, we can say it. So we went to the Dubai Mall. There we did everything that was in the mall. Like we went there in the aquarium, roaming around the mall. Like it was very big mall. You can easily spend your entire. Now I'm attaching some photos and videos of the aquarium, so enjoy and I'll catch you later.
फोटो दे वीडियो भी मैंने लिया मैं बेकार है बंदा सा
इसकी वो बनाई इनकी ये वो है क्या बोलते हैं इनको छतरी नहीं ऑक्टोपस नहीं है
किसके अच्छे है
ये भी क्या चीज है
दिव्या मेरी खींची एक मिनट ऐसे नवीन खींची इधर अकेले की ऐसे भी ऐसे चल वो देखो वो फीडिंग कर रहे हैं किसी से
Getting out of the mall, there is an area where you can see the Burj Khalifa, Great Burj Khalifa, and then we watch this fountain. So enjoy. If you want, then I would definitely upload the full video of the fountain, the Dubai fountain. So yeah, after that you can see the Great Burj Khalifa, changing the names on it. It was mesmerizing.
Small video of the background, how it looks. Everything is very lightened up. So next day we went to the Palm Jumeirah. So here is a little quick video of the route. how lovely it was, and everything was like very clean. So there in Palm Jumeirah we went to a little aquarium. There also is aquarium, and then we went to the water park, which is largest water park. We have booked our tickets online. Every ticket we have booked online. They're like you can say like up to 40-50% you get online, because there it's very expensive. So my suggestion to you, please book everything online. Trying to get some beach poses. So here now it's a family photo we took, and then we went in water and took rides. It was very, we can't say dangerous, yeah, but very horrible.
Heading back from Palm Jumeirah, can you see that beauty? OMG.
Half of the time we had our lunch in McD, as it was cheap comparison to others, and remaining we had our dinner or lunch in the restaurant of our hotel, because we got some coupons from the hotel. So yeah.
Hey, you can see कि वहाँ पे मैकडी वालों ने कैसा हमारा बेवकूफ़ बनाया. So now then we went to the Marina Beach.
नई लाइट्स. Next day it was day for Burj Khalifa. Yes, we went to the Burj Khalifa on the 125th floor, and there we did VR. Yes, we also booked our tickets of Burj Khalifa from the online itself. Here you can see Dubai, how it looks from 125th floor. Amazing, isn't it? So here all are the pictures from the Burj Khalifa, and then after visiting Burj Khalifa we again went to the mall, clicked some pictures. So yeah, we needed some rest. So next day we wake up literally late, and then around in the noon we left our hotels for safari. Yes, it was the day for desert safari. We had our ride, it was literally amazing, and then clicked some pictures, had camel ride and whatnot. It was literally like we are in Rajasthan, isn't it? Now here comes the performance by me. Yes, it was me. They called me on the stage, and after like taking rounds and rounds and rounds, my mind was like I couldn't literally see clearly. They asked me, go to your place. I couldn't see anyone. There was a competition between me and the other girl, and you all clearly can see who the winner is. Yes, it was me. Next day, yes, it was Diwali. Such a lovely gesture by the hotel. And yeah, how could we forget shopping? Yes, we went to the gold souk.
And this ring behind me and the dress was completely made of gold. And yeah, we went through the boat to this place, and yeah, some local shopping from the Meena Bazaar. We bought some itr, perfume, chocolate, bags and whatnot, all our shopping. This was the picture where we had our dinner. And then next day it was Abu Dhabi. We went early in the morning to Abu Dhabi. It was the great mosque, very clean, no piece of dirt, nothing. It was like a dream. You can see whole mosque. I am attaching a picture, and yes, they did made us wear burqa. It was compulsory to wear.
Then we went to a small beach there. I don't remember the name, but after the beach we went to the mall which was there in Abu Dhabi, and then Ferrari. Yes, we did went to the Ferrari. I am attaching all the pictures. Please have a look. And then we had our last day in Dubai. We had our flight in the evening, so in the morning we went to the mall again, took some pictures. We bought a real itr, Ajmal, from there, and then yes, we again did something. We went to the Snow World, Sky Dubai. Yes, Ski Dubai, Snow World. We saw their penguins going.
You can take as many pictures and videos as you like, because we do have the king penguins that we have in here, all looking at the pumpkin. They're like, oh, I love this shiny thing right in here. Alright, together with trainer Eugene, we have 3 king penguins that we have in here. Now, here in Ski Dubai, we have a total of 14 trainers with different nationalities and background when it comes to animal care and training with any kinds or different kinds of marine animals or marine mammals or animals in the zoo. Now, let me introduce to you our penguin one at a time whenever they are ready. But let me tell you, they are not wearing any bracelets. Now, it's really hard to tell them apart. You see the boy and the girl? Which one is the boy and which one is the girl?
Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and if you have any query, concern, please ask me in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed watching this vlog and had fun, so don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.